Hey everyone, welcome back to Finanzian Hobby. If you're looking for legit ways to earn extra money online in your free time, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 5 platforms where you can make money or get rewards just by doing simple things you already do online. We're talking about platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Earnably, MyPoints, and Survey Junkie. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your free time into extra cash or gift cards. Let's dive in. First up is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an online rewards platform that gives you points called SP for doing things like watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and even searching the web. Here's how you can earn. Take surveys and share your opinion. Watch short videos and ads while you relax. Shop online and get cash back. Play games and complete special offers. All of these activities earn USB points, and over time, those points really start to add up. You can redeem your SP points for gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, or even real PayPal cash. Here are some tips to earn faster. Log in every day for bonus points. Focus on higher paying surveys. Use the Swagbucks browser extension. Complete your daily goals. The good part, Swagbucks is free, easy to use, and has many ways to earn. The downside, some surveys may disqualify you. Earnings start slow, and it's not a full-time income. So think of it as a side hustle, not a main job. Next is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays you real cash, not points, for doing simple online tasks. You can earn money by reading sponsored emails, taking surveys, watching short videos and ads, playing games, testing apps, and shopping online. Over time, these activities add money directly to your account. When it's time to cash out, you can withdraw via PayPal, gift cards, or even a check. Here's how to earn more. Check your email daily for new offers. Focus on higher paying surveys. Complete bonus deals when available. Use the cashback feature when shopping. Stay consistent. Inbox Dollars is free, pays real money, and is easy to use. But the payout minimum can be higher. Some surveys disqualify you, and earnings are slow at first. If you're looking for another legit way to earn cash online, let's talk about Earnably. Earnably is a rewards platform where you earn points for completing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, trying apps, or completing special offers. These points can then be redeemed for gift cards from popular retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, or even PayPal cash. It's completely free to sign up, and anyone can start earning in just a few minutes. Here's how you can earn. Share your opinions in surveys on products, services, or websites. Watch short clips or ads while relaxing. Try apps, sign up for free trials, or complete special offers. Log in daily, complete daily goals, or refer friends for extra points. All of these activities add up, and over time, your points can be converted into real rewards. Now, let's talk about earnings. Earnably won't make you rich overnight, but if you stay consistent, you can earn a few dollars each day. Over a month, that could add up to a nice side income. When you're ready to cash out, Earnably makes it super easy. You can redeem your points for PayPal cash or gift cards, fast and secure. Here are some quick tips to maximize your earnings. Log in every day to claim bonuses. Focus on higher paying surveys and offers. Watch videos while doing other tasks. Refer friends for extra points. And finally, the pros and cons. Pros: free to join, multiple ways to earn, fast and secure redemption options. Cons: some surveys may disqualify you, earnings start slow, and the availability of offers may vary. Next up is MyPoints, one of the oldest online rewards platforms, around since 1996. You can earn points called MyPoints by shopping online at hundreds of popular retailers, taking surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and completing special offers. Redeem your points for gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, or even PayPal cash. Tips to boost your earnings: shop through the MyPoints portal, watch videos while doing other tasks, open sponsored emails regularly, stay consistent. The good part, MyPoints is free, trusted, and offers multiple ways to earn. The downside: some surveys may disqualify you. Rewards take time to accumulate, and it's not a full-time income. Freecash is a website where you can earn money by completing simple online tasks. These include taking surveys, playing games, downloading apps, and testing websites. But today, we're going to focus mainly on surveys, because that's what most people use to earn money on this platform. Now, let's talk about how you sign up. Creating an account is very simple. All you need is an email address, or you can sign up using your Google or Steam account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can see all the available offers and surveys. Everything is organized in one place, so it's easy to get started right away. Let me explain how the surveys work. When you open the surveys section, you'll see different offers. Each one shows how long the survey takes and how much it pays. For example, a short survey might take about 5 to 10 minutes and pay around 50 cents to $1. Longer surveys usually pay more. When you click on a survey, you'll be asked some basic questions to see if you qualify. If you match what they're looking for, you'll complete the full survey and get paid. It's important to answer honestly, because fake answers can get you disqualified. Now, let me share my personal experience. I tested Freecash for a few days, and I tried multiple surveys. Some of them worked perfectly and paid me instantly, but others disqualified me after a few questions. That's normal for survey websites, so don't get discouraged if it happens to you. Overall, I was able to earn some extra money in my free time, especially when I stayed consistent. One thing I really like about Freecash is the payment options. The minimum payout is also very low, which means you don't have to wait weeks before cashing out. Once you reach the minimum, you can withdraw almost instantly. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. Freecash is free to join. It's easy to use. It offers many ways to earn money, and it works in many countries around the world. Now, the cons. Some surveys will disqualify you. You won't make full-time income from this, and it requires patience and consistency. So, it's not a get-rich-quick system, but it can be helpful for extra cash. Here are some tips to help you earn more. First, complete your profile honestly. This helps you qualify for better surveys. Second, check the website every day, because new surveys appear regularly. Third, start with high-rated surveys, since they're more likely to pay. And finally, be consistent. Even spending 15 to 20 minutes a day can add up over time. So, is Freecash worth it? In my honest opinion, yes. If you're looking for side money, it's great for students, beginners, or anyone who wants to make a little extra in their free time. But it's not meant to replace a full-time job. Think of it as a small online side hustle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more online money tips and reviews. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.